No, thank you. You're scary. No, you're scary. No, I don't want to be where you are. I don't want to be there. I know. I'm like, you look scary. Okay, so we're getting off at the port and we're beginning to walk to go to the mainland of Cozumel. And of course, as soon as we get off the ship, there are so many photo opportunities with locals dressed in their costumes, which to me, they were very scary. Yeah, so that's what's going on here.
Chris is gone.
Whoa, whoa.
And we're not gonna find him either.
Well, they got all kind of exits. Oh, that's another one.
Yeah.
The carnival. I wonder which one is that. The carnival what? That like it's small. Now I feel safer on this port compared to Jamaica. Jamaica had me feeling like I was about to something. That's cool. Look at that blue water. And I see the water is blue. Oh, I like. They got like a roller coaster on the top. Look. Would you get on that one? They're like a roller coaster. Got it. Now, this is an example of some of the cultural costumes that they were wearing in the shopping area and on the port where when we arrived. And there were like all types all around, all through the shops, which made the experience very authentic and, yeah, very special. And we're walking to our bus.
Morning and morning. Sí van a hacer.
Okay, freeze frame. At this point, it's only a matter of time before the clouds begin to release rain on our heads. Baby's want to get under the covering if it's going to rain.
It's gonna move.
Oh, okay. See, I told you there would be some kind of covering. I thought so. They wouldn't want people to get soaking wet.
This is a city. There is also Tulum, where the Mayans was, and also Playa del Carmen. We call Playa del Carmen Sodoma and Gomorrah, because it's a full party, 24 hours. You cannot miss it. It's too much. That's why I'm here, this wonderful paradise. So, well, because of the reefs.
The reefs.
Reefs. Reefs are like a mountains in the water. Those reefs, the deepest is 120 feet. And those reefs, the island was discovered in the 1964 by Jacques Cousteau. Somebody reminds the name? Jacques Cousteau was a wonderful scuba diver, an explorer guy. This went alright just to enjoy the Caribbean. The Caribbean got 75 clear water. So after he get in this place, he get impressed because there is a full life over here. The Caribbean Ocean is warm, so anytime you don't feel the cold water, it's warm. So that is the life for a bunch of species. There is also, there is seahorses, little seahorses. There is a bunch of Caribbean fishes, stingrays, eagles, turtles. We call them kawama turtles because they are huge, 2 times like me. Everything is big like me, I know that, but at the ocean, it's different. So, also, on this side of the ocean, we sometimes can see some dolphins. Yes, there is dolphins on the wide, my friends. This is the life that we're enjoying here with the full fishes with the Caribbean life. That's and all of those are tiny. It's Mexico, of course. I don't know why, but the deer doesn't have any horn. Every deer, include of course the adults, doesn't have horns and looks like Bambi. Chiquititos.
Chiquititos.
Remember, amigos, this tour is a short tour of 3 hours, depends of traffic, 3:30, no more than that. So it's
Hey.
important to everybody to complete the timing. The timing, it is yours. The time is gold, so you don't want to miss your goal. So please, check the times. Every three lighthouse, this is the center lighthouse. We got a lighthouse at the south, and we got a lighthouse at the north. Of course, it's not useful anymore, but well, it is still as a monument. Take a look, my friends. Not today, you cannot see it, but this is the ferry cargo. Oh yes, there is a ferry cargo now. That ferry cargo is a way to bring cars, the meal, the sodas, the beers, the gas, in an island with not also big, huge producers here. The only thing that we produce here, my friends, is the seafood. I suggest.
This excursion was actually more than it was described in the description. I was so excited that we were actually getting off of the tour bus, able to walk through the streets of Cozumel and go shopping on our own and just exploring the sights. And as we were walking down this little road, everyone was calling us into their businesses to invite us to shop, 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 of course, in their stores. But we just said, no, thank you, no, thank you, no, thank you. But in the end, though, we did finally shop with one of the older gentlemen that was outside and not in one of the shops, supporting the more locals that are not the big timers. Look at Starbucks. And then we finally got in this shop where I eventually found just some things that I liked and purchased those things and was ready to get back to our meeting spot before we were left because we only had, I think, about 30 minutes. Okay, I just want to put a very quick plug in for Juneteenth. It was Juneteenth this day, June 19th, 2025. And also to put a quick plug in for my sister's brand, 3angelsoap.com, the shirt that's worn in this video. Thank you. Stay tuned for part 2 of my time in Cozumel and day 1, 2, 3, 4 on the cruise. Bye for now. Bye.